Well, hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. No model railways today, I'm afraid. I'm just starting my foreign trip, going to France, and then, well, you might have seen the map, I'll put it in again. So here comes the start of my foreign travels with Alan in the van. Let's go and see what we can find. Car ferry first. And here we are. Only a mile from my house. And here's Dover Docks and the English Channel. Here we go. Irish ferries is just coming in now. That's cool. Right, let's get on that boat. Just finding our way through the port. Alright, we've got my ticket. Right, lane 127. So let me find that. Well, there's Vanity all lined up for the boat, and there's the ferry over there, just unloading now, so time to make a cup of tea. And onto the ferry we go! Ferries everywhere. See 4 of them out there. As I've done 1,000 or more crossings, that would have been me, look. That was my profession in the past. Yeah, got to be due to go now. Span's just gone up, so we're ready to go. Well, here comes the French coast. Cap Grinet, or Cape Greynose, Wissant Escale, Cap Blonnier, Cape Whitenose, Saint-Gat and Calais just around the corner. Wow, welcome back to Calais. First time in 2 years. We used to come every day virtually, every week I mean. So we're here. That's it, we're in France. Bienvenue à France. Wow, good morning. This is my first night out. I was on Calais beach. I was hoping to park in this car park. When I got here, it's got height barriers, so first night in Calais was fine. Along the edge of the beach, got 2 other Brit vans moved in behind me, so off to Calais centre on the electric bus. It even might even be free. Well, the bus service, I must say, is good. It's free. Just dumped me in the middle of Calais, and look at that. They've got their own Big Ben. or Petit Ben. Look at that. There's also the canal system starting here. And I can see some train lines over there, so let's go and have a little look. Well, here's a little pedestrian crossing over the railway. It's double track. Or goes another one of their magic buses. I'll get a few of these signs as well. Okay, here we go. Yes, I can see the trains down there, look. Pretty modern looking things. I've been through Calais 1,000 times, but I've never had a good walk around, so that's what I'm doing today. And the French certainly have a way of doing things, don't they? Look at that, that's too much. And all the lovely little trees in the park and a statue. Yeah, I like the way the French do things. Free buses, free parking everywhere. Yeah, right, let's get on to the station. Calais, Terre de Jeux. The land of games, I think. Look at that. I can't get out. Well, I had to go to the patisserie, the boulangerie. And now I'm in the park for some munchies. And here is the museum to the Second World War. I gather this is German built. There's massive great shell holes and rounds powered into the wall here. So I'm going to go inside and have a look after I've had something to eat. Memoir, yeah, of Calais. Well worth a look. Right, onwards to the station. Well, it's the Gare de Calais Ville. I'm not sure whether I can spot any trains or not. But quite a modern looking building. Let's go and have a look a bit closer. There we go, French train here in Calais. Probably going to Paris or somewhere like that. The security here in France is very good. I had to ask the French guard or security man if I could take a photo of the train through the window. And he said, of course you can. So I did. Very strange little bus there, look at that. On such a lovely sunny afternoon, I'm going to have an ice cream. Well, I've had a good day in Calais. I'm down on the beach now. Yet another ferry coming by. I think I might move on. I've had a good look round Calais. And well, see where we end up next. That's Alan leaving Calais, I think. Well, let's go and get the van packed up and ready to go. I haven't got any milk, that's my problem, but I'll survive. Okay. Right, off to Saint-Gat where I was a couple of years ago. It's free parking for camper vans, and I'll show you when we get there. I'm going to have a nice quiet night tonight. Alan out. Still in the Calais region, just moved down to Saint-Gat. I found this place, managed to get the last space. That's me there, so I'm just going to go and have a look at the... Well, I guess this just about wraps this video up. You can see Calais Harbour right in the distance. So I'm only about 10 kilometres, 6 miles away. But look at this for sand. And ferries and ships. So that's Alan signing out on such a lovely sunny afternoon. Some really nice beach huts along here too. Take care. Disaster has struck. Here's Vanity back home in my back garden. While in Calais, she dropped her gearbox mounting, so I've had to return home. I mean, I only live about 25 miles from Calais itself, so it was a quick sea trip, and she's back home nice and safely for repairs. So I'm kind of cancelling that part of my French trip. I just have to rewrite the whole journey plan again, but for now she's home, safe and sound, and so am I. So sorry about that, but it wasn't to be. So that's happened. So really sorry about that. I'm now home in Dover, safe and sound, as you see. Some of the times the best plans can go wrong. So yeah, sorry to let you down. I should be kind of past Boulogne going down towards the Somme right now, but Vanny needs a repair, quick repair, not expensive repair. And she is 27 years old, so I gather I say thanks for everybody, thanks for following along, sorry to let you down, cheers to all my subscribers and followers, and well, I'll see you soon. I'm going to do a Sunday live now, so catch you soon. A little bit sad, but life can sometimes be a bugger, but Fanny's here and she's due to go on a trip again, so but probably not to France, because the ferries are £150 each and I've already get two of those. So take care, I'm out.